Okay, so here's what's going on. The fishermen just tossed in a whole bunch of seafood, I guess bait, in the water. So the birds have come and to eat, and now they're chilling on the rail here. So I want to see if I can just walk by. Hopefully, I'm not too close to the birds. Peacefully. I don't. Hopefully, I don't feel like I'm gonna get attacked, but I'm just like, this is a first for me. I know they say keep your distance when you're out in the wild, and so I'm just gonna walk by, and here's a shot of the birds. They landed, and I guess taking a break from the eating, and oh, it's flying away. the birds. I just want to go past the birds. Oh,